Okay, Joe, so you about to get this moolah, huh?
Yeah. I'm getting
So you
some
about to help your
moolah.
you about to help your mother pay the bills.
Yep.
Oh, snap. That's what I'm talking about.
It's gonna be 3 people working.
Mm.
It's gonna be Dad and me and Mom.
Oh.
It's 3 of us working.
What about Aiden?
Aiden in the car, so she can have a race car job.
Ooh, Aiden, you about to be working Tuesday? Okay.
Yeah. And Uncle Day is gonna have a movie job.
I just woke up, so my hair look like shit.
Wow.
And Joseph think he's slick because he got school in the morning. His behind should be in the bed sleeping right now. The pimple coming in. Obviously, it's that time of the month. Every time it's that time of the month, my face breaks out like crazy.
98, 99.
Okay, I always get asked what lip gloss I wear. I wear the NYX Butter. Okay, this is the NYX Butter Gloss. I left it in one of my jeans one day and put it in the washing machine, and yeah, so it blew up like this basically. But this is the one that I always wear because you guys always ask me.
Mom,
and I wear a couple other ones, but whenever I wear them, I will put y'all on. Okay. I feel like I don't do nothing that's worth blogging or posting about all day, but you guys want to see my life, so I guess I'll start posting more or whatever. Like, I have been posting more on Instagram, so y'all gotta give me that. Also, a lot of you guys have been hitting me up asking me how do I start my lash line. Listen, I don't mind giving y'all the keys to this shit, but honestly, I'm gonna just keep it real with you. Like, nobody did not tell me or give me the blueprint on how to start a business, how to start selling lashes and all this good shit. Like, I literally had to find out on my own. I don't mind, but I just feel like you would feel so much better and good about yourself when you do the research on your own and actually like look into what you want to do. Like, don't get me wrong, I could just give you the keys and tell you everything I did, but honestly, it might not work for you. You have to like make a plan, set a goal, figure out like what you actually want to do. Like, because honestly, when I first started this lash company, I thought that I was gonna buy a bunch of lashes, okay, that I was gonna sell them and I was gonna make all this money. But in all reality, that was not the case for me. Like, it's different for everybody. Nobody's story is the same. Somebody could start a lash company right now and just make money off rip. For me, it didn't happen like that. I literally had to build my brand. I had to like build my audience and all that good stuff. And I basically started on Instagram. And it took me a minute, like, for real. Like, I had my mom. Okay, my mom was taking my lashes to her job and selling them. Like, I had a website. Nobody wasn't using my website when I first started. This was a year ago. Nobody was not using my website. People would still want to buy from me in person. They wanted to link up. And I'm just like, yo, I have a website. I could ship the lashes to you. But nobody was not fucking with me, okay? Now, fast forward a year later, I'm not going to lie, like, I've been getting a lot of sales lately, and I'm humbled and I appreciate everybody that has been supporting me. Obviously, I've been consistent. My hard work is finally paying off. People are noticing that I'm not going to scam them out their money. I just feel like if you ever feel like a person's going to scam you out your money, you don't even need to be doing business with them. And that's how I feel. And it's kind of insulting to me when a person hit me up talking about, are you going to scam me? It's just like, bitch, what I'm going to do with $20 to $10 to $15, $25, $50. Like, that's bullshit ass money. Don't get me wrong. Like, I appreciate it all, but when you hit me up talking about if I'm gonna scam you, it's like, come on now. Now you're trying to play me, and I will not take your money at all. You can keep it pushing. All money is not good money, and I learned that very young. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play all the recent music that I've been listening to lately. We about to jam and rock out, and we about to chit chat and all that good stuff. I ain't gonna lie, this album right here, when it first came out, got me through some shit. Yes, it's Born Sinner. This album is the truth. Like, I can listen to this album over and over and over and over again. I feel like this album just came out yesterday. This album came out in 2013. So, like, that says a lot. I don't think I'm going to play the whole songs I might just rock out with a couple songs. This right here is my shit. There you go. Don't mention this, god damn it. Cause I ain't never had a lot, damn it. I ain't tripping. My shit too. 21 Savage, his album goes hard. His last album from 2017. Listen, can you go in your room? I'm recording my video. This is why I don't get a chance to record. So my kids always want to be extra. I'm the pain with the money, I'm the pain with the money, I'm the pain with the money, I'm the pain with the got a bag on your head, gotta pick it up. Put me everywhere I go. Put me everywhere I don't know. One of my songs that I fuck with is, of course, Left Right. I'm about to say you love me, fuck the whole crew. I'ma take two. Let me show you what that do say do. I can turn up on a Tuesday too. Let me show you what that do say do. Let's turn up on a Tuesday too. Let me show you what that do say do. So I hit it with the left side. Hit it with the left side. Hit it with the left side. That's my words with bad bitch. Then eat your rice and cabbage. The plastic. I gotta have it. I got the deuce in my cup. I don't give a fuck. I'ma beat the pussy up. Back out, like a tap out. To the trap house. You can back out. Hit it with the left side. Alright, I'm gonna have to go to Nicki album. Y'all know I fuck with Nicki. That's my bitch. Like, I'm not like a die-hard Nicki fan, but yo, I will argue a bitch down over Nicki, okay? I fucking love that little bitch. She can literally do no wrong in my eyes, and don't fucking at me neither. Alright, my next one that I really love, this is my favorite one I've been rocking with since the album came out, is Run and Hide. That's my shit right there. Like, who the fuck can't relate to this? Aiden, Lee, Allen, go to bed. Alright, this is my shit right here. This is one of my favorite songs off the album. Go now. To the table, what you doing? since I trusted somebody. You fucking somebody. You never trusted nobody. I don't want one of my top shits right now. My shit right here. Aiden, this your song?
Yeah.
I know it is. Sing it with me. Come on. Come on, let's go. Would you ride for me? Do 25 for me. Come on, let's sing it. You lie to me. Why you lie to me? Say why you lie to me? Lie to me. It's not a family. It's not a family. Family. Come on, get on this side. Let's sing it.
It's good old times in the loud house.
Die for me.
Die for me. Me.
Her, the artist her whole album, I fucks with. I can listen to this shit all day, especially this song right here. This song is called Avenue. Trust me, y'all gonna love this song. I love R&B music, don't get me wrong, I fuck with rap, but R&B and soul is more of my like style. So yeah. Song in the first place. Doing it the wrong way. Playing 2K. Been down, but you still sleep. So deep, so deep, you know that about me. Just turned down the avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you. Always say I got an attitude, oh. That you was acting rude. I had to pass you when I had a few. Always say I got an attitude, oh.